Hello students, this is the video number 35 for class 9 physics. In this video we will study about chapter 7, reflection of light, part A, that is about the laws of reflection and formation of image by plane mirror. So first of all, you must know about the reflection of light. Reflection of light. So this reflection of light, that is the return of light into the same medium after striking the surface. So if the surface is polished, then it will be very easy to understand. Like for that we will consider one of the mirror, you know, we are very much familiar about the mirror. This is the reflected side, this is the reflected side, and this one is the polished side. Okay, and from reflected side, if this is the incident ray, and from here, let me draw with the scale. Now this is the incident ray, IR I am using for this, and here is the normal. Let me draw with the red so that you can easily differentiate. And then this ray we can consider as the reflected one. Here, this is the reflected one, RR. Now in this you can easily see this is the angle of incidence which incident ray makes with the normal, and this is the reflected ray makes with the normal. That angle is called angle of reflection. Okay, now you can understand this reflection of light by considering one of the incident ray which is coming from here and it is striking on this mirror, this plane mirror, and returning back, bouncing back to the same medium, that is here. So this is about the reflection of light. So reflection of light are of two kinds of reflection. First is, that is regular reflection. Regular reflection. And second one is, that is irregular reflection. So regular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on a smooth and polished surface. For example, plane mirror. Okay, so this I will show here. Suppose this is the mirror surface. Suppose this is the mirror surface. Okay, and here I am going to show the polished side of the mirror. Now suppose these are the incident rays. These are the parallel incident rays. Okay. Now from here, after reflection, all the rays will return back to the same medium, and here these are the equidistant rays. Here also you are getting the equidistant rays. So this kind of reflection is called a regular reflection. Now second one is irregular reflection. Now irregular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on uneven surface, okay, or rough or ordinary surface which is uneven, such as, for example, wall of room, right, and page of the book, any unpolished surface you can see. Now for that, this kind of line we will consider. Now here no need to draw the polished surface because these small humps are considered as a projections, certain projections on the surface. These can be dust particles, they can be the rough surface, certain small projections are there. So in same way as we have done discussed in case of a regular reflection, we are going to consider again incident parallel beam. So in same manner we are getting, but if we go for the reflected ray, so these rays will not be in the same manner. They are moving in different directions and maybe they will cross each other, right? So this is called the irregular reflection. Now a kind of diffused light which you will get from the reflection due to the uneven surface, right, and due to which only we are able to read anything, any written part. So that is also the diffused light. So that is also coming due to the uneven surface, right. Now some of the terms are there which are related to the reflection. These terms must be clear to you, right. Now terms related with the reflection, these terms must be clear to you, right. So one diagram that already we have discussed, same diagram I have drawn. Now I am going to name these rays AO, let it be ON. I am using the same letters which they have used in diagram which is given in your book. This is the reflected ray. Here is the incident ray. And this is the normal. So what is the incident ray? The light ray striking the reflected surface. This is the reflected side of this M1 mirror, which is the plane mirror. So AO is the incident ray. AO is the incident ray. Second one is reflected ray. OB is the reflected ray. OB is the reflected ray. O is the point of incidence where this ray is striking. Point of incidence. And the imaginary line ON, which makes an angle 90 degree with the surface like this. This complete angle, this one, is 90 degree. That is called the normal. Angle of incidence. What is the angle of incidence? This angle AON. Angle AON is called angle of incidence. Angle of incidence, which is made by incident ray with the normal. Now angle NOB. Angle BON or NOB is called the angle of reflection. The angle which is made by the reflected ray with the normal. This is the angle of reflection. Okay. After this you have plane of incidence. Now what is the plane of incidence? Plane of incidence. What is the plane of incidence? The plane which is containing the incident ray and the normal, and incident ray and the normal, that plane is called the plane of incidence. So the plane of this board is called the plane of incidence. Second one is the plane of reflection. So that is also exactly same as that of the plane of incidence, but in place of incidence you will consider reflection. So the plane which is containing reflected ray as well as normal. So this plane is again called the plane of reflection, the board of plane, right? So the laws of reflection, and this first law is the angle of incidence is always equal to the law angle of reflection. That is angle, as I have told you, angle AON, which is incidence angle. Okay, that is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle in this, according to this diagram, angle BON. Again I am writing here angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is always equal to angle R during the reflection. Then second law is also there. Second law, what is that? The incident ray reflected ray and normal, right? All lie in the same plane. At the point of incidence, they all lie in the same plane. So according to this, like incident ray, reflected ray and normal at the point of incidence, you can write, okay, all lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. So what is the plane over here? This board, this white board is the plane which is containing incident ray, reflected ray. Incident ray is AO, reflected ray is OB, and this normal, where they are at the point of incidence. They all lie in the same plane. Okay, so till this you can read properly from the book also. See this video again and again for the clarity of the concept. Okay, and learn the definitions of these terms. These are really important. Thank you very much. And in video 34, till the renewable or non-renewable sources, you have to do the chapter. Rest of the part, degradation of energy, different these definitions are there related to the sources of energy, and greenhouse effect, that is not the part of the syllabus. So whatever the content which I have covered in the videos, only till that you have to learn in video number 34. So here new chapter I have started, so be in touch with these videos, okay, and revise at home. Thank you very much.